my Snappy Pear Cranberry Crumble. I am chopping up about 4 pounds of pears, actually 6 or 8 pears, and not overripe pears because I don't want them to be too soft. I'm using Anjou pears today, but you can just use whatever sturdy pear that you like.
Sturdy pear.
Use a sturdy pear. And you're doing the crumble?
I'm doing the crumble. So I'm done a cup of flour, a quarter cup of white sugar and brown sugar.
Nice.
And this is a cup of ginger snap crumbs because they're gonna make it snappy.
And I've never heard of ginger snap crumbs in a topping before you did this.
They give it a little more...
Snap.
Snap, yeah, snap's a good word.
Okay, that's why that's ginger snappy.
They're ginger snappy.
I'm putting some Christmas zest into this pear mixture, and I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of orange zest, then I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of orange juice.
Okay.
And a cup and a half of chopped dried cranberries here.
I'm just gonna get this half a stick of melted butter to go in here, finish my crumble up.
Awesome. I've got vanilla. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla. And then the sweet part, I'm gonna put a cup of sugar in here. So it's gonna be snappy and sweet.
It is.
I've got a quarter cup of cornstarch going in here, and the cornstarch is gonna help everything thicken up. That's what cornstarch does. Kind of the same thing flour does in a recipe, but I'm just gonna toss this together and then it'll go in a greased pan.
I think this is looking pretty snappy.
It's snappy. I'm ready for crumble.
Okay, use my hands and crumble it over the top.
The ginger snaps, to me, is really what's gonna make this over the top.
It really is.
Just need to get the Snappy Pear Crumble into the oven. It's gonna go in at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes, and this would be a great time to get changed for church.
All right.
Let's do it.
All right, here we go.
This is called Snappy Pear Cranberry Crumble.
Just snap it over.
It's sweet and tart together.
Yeah, it's not just super, super sweet dessert. This is very good.
I usually leave out cookies for Santa, but I'm thinking maybe some Snappy Christmas crumble. Just a small serving.